Hello guys, welcome back to another Cushy Crypto video. You gotta forgive me for this bit of a scuff setup at the moment. I'm still in the UK. I've not got lights or anything like that, but you know, I've got a green screen here, so if it works, it works. I'll put stuff up on it. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. It'll just be green. Thanks for coming to Cushy Crypto for your market news and simple crypto reviews. You know, I'm trying to make crypto a bit more understandable to the everyday person. So I will ask you, if you feel like that you have learned or you have managed to take in some information for me, then hit that subscribe button, man. Help me out. Also, if you're not following me on Twitter, then what are you doing? It is important. In fact, it is essential to keep up to date with the crypto market, with the evolving technology that's coming out, you know, new projects and also existing projects. And it's good to just keep up to date in the crypto space. Plus, crypto Twitter is pretty funny sometimes, so why not? I always retweet stuff. Come follow me. Then you can leech off the people that I follow and just follow them as well. Before we get into a few topics, let's take a look at the market real quick. As you can see, Bitcoin is up 9% this week. This week has been a bit of a mindfuck for everybody in the crypto space. You know, everyone's expecting alts to pump, but obviously if Bitcoin pumps more than those altcoins, then you're going to lose Bitcoin value in your altcoins. But if you're all about dollar value, is this a fake out or is this legit? Is this going to last? Who knows? I've been rearranging my portfolio a bit. Obviously, Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is our main crypto vein. So long term, it's all about Bitcoin. Short term, getting those alts, make some more Bitcoin. If we look at the biggest winners so far this week, obviously Lambda. I don't know what that is. Utrain, Crypto.com chain, which is a crypto card. You know, lots of coins. Ethereum Classic doing well, which I like to see. Don't know if it's going to last. Who knows? Let's not price speculate like everyone else. Now, coming over to the total market cap real quick. We are at 173 billion. Hitting resistance. If we can push past this, damn son, it looks like it could be on. We could get up to these levels. That would be amazing. But I'm not going to hold my breath. I don't know what's going to happen. I feel like all the people that got into this market last month or so, they're probably loving life right now, but I think they're about to experience what crypto is all about. But overall, this week has been pretty good for altcoins such as Cardano and the like. And if it continues, great. If it doesn't, you know, I think it's only going to be a pullback before we continue higher or sideways. But you've heard it all before. Let's get into some stories and see what's going on.
Don't worry, you just relax. Everything's gonna be cushy. Oh, it'll be cushy.
Now, the first news that I want to get into is what everybody is talking about, and that is Pewdiepie has said that he will be streaming exclusively on Dlive. Now, when I first heard this, I was like, wow, that's going to be amazing for Steam. Steam and Dlive, I'm sure that's going to do, like, send the price up for, like, bring attraction to the Steam platform. And obviously the Steam token and Steam power and all that crap. Me personally, I had a Steam account, never really fucked with it. I thought it was, I could see that people were just, you know, whales were just manipulating what was getting upvoted and all that crap. Some people in the space loved it. When I first got into this space in 2017, I think, everybody was loving Steam it. In the bull run, everybody was loving it. It was actually posted to loads. It was like a mixture of Reddit. It was sort of like a crypto Reddit, I would compare it to, kind of. But yeah, when I heard this news about Lino, I was like, wow, amazing stuff for Steam. It probably going to send the token really high. And then I went over to Dlive, and it looks completely different. I was expecting the whole purple thing that they used to have. I used to have a Dlive account, but yeah, now Dlive is got this new logo, which was created by the community. And the major news, obviously, which I already said, is Pewdiepie has said that he will exclusively stream on the Dlive platform from April 13th or 14th to raise money for charity because of the decentralized aspect of the token. I think you can send it from anywhere in the world. It just makes it easier. And I think the guys behind Dlive now and the new cryptocurrency behind Dlive, Lino, they have probably not paid Pewdiepie, maybe paid Pewdiepie, but said they're going to put $50,000 up in charity fund, which you know, great news. But will this last? Will Dlive be the platform, the decentralized platform that everybody comes to? I mean, there's other platforms out there such as BitTube, which I've covered on my channel before. BitTube's going through some changes at the moment, obviously with their airtime app. I've made videos on all this before, so it's worth looking into if you want to learn more about a decentralized streaming site. We also have things like Theta. The Theta token has done really well recently. There's Theta Fuel. So there's definitely a few projects working towards a decentralized YouTube, so to speak, because everybody's sick of how YouTube treats creators, and also how YouTube skim a lot of money off of creators, like 40%. So that's unfair, but at the same time, you know, it's hard to create a good user interface, good user experience, and all that stuff. So can Dlive pull it off? It will be interesting to see what Pewdiepie does. And yeah, it'll be interesting to hear what other people think about this. So leave a comment down below what you think about this whole Pewdiepie streaming on Dlive. And only a few people can actually stream on Dlive at the moment. Only certain creators who've got pass can stream on Dlive. But interesting nonetheless. It's good to have such a the largest YouTube content creator on Dlive. Hopefully other content creators follow. Next story. Coinbase are releasing their own Visa debit card. Now this came out pretty recently, and overall I think it's good news, because obviously you want to be able to spend your cryptocurrencies. It's linked to PayPal, so it's going to work through PayPal and Visa like that on a card, which is pretty cool. PayPal already have a card, I know about that, but obviously spending cryptos makes it that much more, you know, appealing to obviously people in the crypto space, but also people that are not in the crypto space thinking about getting into the crypto space, because then they can actually be like, oh well, I can buy this coin and I can also spend this coin. So it's good for adoption. In the long term, you know, it's not good to use a centralized you know, card. You know, you're meant to like use your own wallet on your phone or whatever. That's like the dream in the future, years down the line. But for now, a centralized way to spend your cryptocurrencies, I think, is a good thing. Like I very much like 10x. I very much like all crypto cards, okay, or I like all crypto cards. So this is good news. The first 1,000 people to actually sign up to get one of these cards, you won't have to pay fees for the card, which is £5. I had to pay for my 10x card, which was £15 in Bitcoin way back when. So you know, it's a lot cheaper than 10x card, and they also you'll be able to spend most of the cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Later in the year they'll be adding more. So it's good. You know, you want to spend your Litecoin, you want to spend your Bitcoin out in the shops. Everyone uses Coinbase. A lot of the new people that get into cryptocurrency use Coinbase. So you know, it obviously attracts people to Coinbase. It attracts people to store. I guess it's linked to the Coinbase wallet, the wallet, and yeah, pretty cool. I like it overall. If you are thinking about getting one, I would order one quick, because the first 1,000 get it for free. So order up yourself a Coinbase card. And the third and final story that I want to talk about real quick today is Unity are partnering up with Enjin, or Enjin have partnered up with Unity. And if you don't know Unity, basically here it says Unity brings state-of-the-art, affordable, multi-platform tools and services to developers of interactive content everywhere. So they basically do a lot of things to do with tech, gaming, all things like that. So Enjin actually partnering up with these is amazing news, because of all the developers over there, all the technology over there. Blockchain and gaming are going to go so well together. Enjin is something I don't actually have any Enjin. I want to pick up some Enjin going into the future. A few years down the line, Enjin will be a major coin, especially in the game. And you think of things like Clash of Clans and, you know, mobile phone games, how big they are. If you can actually attach real value onto items in that game that you spend your time trying to earn before you, like, I've quit, so I stopped. I don't mobile game anymore, but you know, obviously it's a big market there. But if I could have actually taken away value in terms of Enjin Coin from, you know, doing well in certain games, then obviously I'd be more obliged to play them longer and stuff. So massive stuff. Like I said before, come follow me on Twitter. I'm always retweeting stuff to do with the crypto space, always looking at different coins that I might be entering, even if it's a shit coin to quickly flip, make some Bitcoin on. Obviously not financial advice as always, but thank you for watching this all the way to the end. Appreciate a subscribe, I appreciate a like, and I will see you in the next video.